everybody, Helen here. Welcome to Diamond Paintings with Cats and Dogs. I got an unboxing here of a Diamond Art Club. It's called Trains of Dreams by Randall Spengler. It is a 68 by 18 inches or 173 centimeters by 46 centimeters. It is a round. And I would like to tell you right now, it's going to be way too big for my desk, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's look at this box here. It is an older drawing, and on the back here we have how to do the diamond painting, what's in the box. It has 57 colors, 2 ABs. Total of drills is 100,571. Okay, and it is a round, if I did not say that yet. Let's get into this. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. Okay, so here we got in this box is the toolkit. So let's open up this toolkit and see what we have. Okay, so we have the newer pen, which if I can get this off, probably not with my hands. Okay, I did it. So you just turn this and the putty comes out, which here is extra putty. The newer ones are coming with the metal tips. And we have a 4-placer here at the end. We have some baggies, and like I said, some extra putty. A tray with the stopper and lid. Some regular wax. Don't forget to pull the plastic off. And then we have a 7-placer, and we do have a metal single placer. Everything you need to get started and get this painting done. Okay, let's put this back in here, put this back in here, close that up and set it aside, and come over here and let's see what we got in here. Move the box over out of our way. So here we got is a card telling you the information of the drawing and more information here. You can scratch this. These are collectors for discounts and other things, which I'm sorry, I'm going to have to get in to look more information about this. This is the first time I've ever got one. So let's set this aside. And then this is the new legend and directions and everything instead of separate. So you have your Facebook queue, you have your 20% off your first purchases, the contents in this kit, and step-by-step instructions, and tips and tricks. And there's that. And then your legend is now this. It has 57 colors. It has 2 ABs. And let's see here. This is a very long one. It also has all the information you need to know about this painting, and this could go in your logbook or on your box, however way you want to do it. Let's get this put away and go to this. Now this has a nice thick plastic dust cover on it to protect it if you don't keep them in the boxes. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be really long. It's not going to fit on my desk, so I'm not going to be able to completely open it up and show it to you, so we're going to do a little at a time. Here on the left you have your legend, your DMC codes, your symbols, and 57 colors. Down here on the bottom, you have your thumbnail, your information on the drawing, and showing you that it is a licensed drawing. So I'm going to roll and unroll if my hands will let me. So we can look at the train as we go. There's a dragon and some more. Very pretty. Now we're getting about halfway, and you'll see here, let me roll this other side up there at the top. Let's move this so we can do this. Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. Then down here on the bottom, it has all the media, and it also has the website, and it also has take $10% off, sorry, your next drawing. Okay, let's keep it going here. Checking out the train and the books and the dragons and all the fun stuff. And we are at the end here. And then on this other end here, we have another legend. And then down here is for your warranty. Okay, let's close this baby up because there's not too much I'm going to be able to do to show you because it's so big, and I don't have the space because, yeah, my desk is not that big. I wish it was, but it is not that big. So let's check out some drills. Well, right off the bat, we have 310, 310, 310, 310. 4 of them. Okay, here we go. Here's where it starts. Let's keep trying to open them. Okay, so nice full bags on that. A nice green at $8.95. The blue, $7.98. Another green, $9.04. And our 10s, 310 blacks. Like I said, we have 4 of them. $38.65. $9.05. $7.43. $3.36. $400. $400. $400. 3 of them. And then we have 2 814s. 1 $9.39, 1 $3.17, and 2 $3.01s. And let's set this one aside and put the next little train here. We have 33.25, 38.41, 402, 210, 550, 321. 758, 356, 666, 3706, 436, 3799, 3772, 3708, 415, 3064, 754, 779, 741, and 740. Okay, that's our next set. Let's get to the next row here. Okay, that's a pretty purple. 327 here is our first AB. It is a green, 134. As you can see the difference, it's got a little bit of a, I'm not going to be able to say it, different coating on the top of it than your other drills. And we got 413, 3023, 907, 977, 3776, 890, 318, 209. I love the purples. The purples, the purples, the purples. Okay, and the last little string here, we have a 301, a 797 times 2, a 3371 times 2, a 783 times 2, 938. Here is our other AB, 129, a yellow. Look at all that sparkle, so pretty. 300 times 2, 762, 355, 823. That was a full one. 742, 498 times 2, 782, 334, and 208. And I'm sorry, Bubba, Mommy didn't mean to hit you with the drills. My little man's laying in here and Mama just beat him up. Okay, so let's just take a little bit of a sneak peek here. See if we can find anything without doing it. So we have the ones and the 2, which is our 2 ABs, our yellows, and our greens here in our cup. And where else can we find some? We can find some here in the leaves. Where else can we find some? Up here at the top. Okay, let's keep going. We have some yellow ABs in here, around here. We have some of the green ABs in here. Let's see where else we have some. We have some ABs in here. Got the yellows in there. These are all mixed up, but we have some green ABs. Here's some 1 yellow ABs. Let's keep going here. Okay, so we have some ABs down here. Got some in here. Got some in here. Got a lot of yellows. Yellows, yellows, yellows. Okay, so we got some more yellow ones in here. Up through here. Okay, let's keep going. See if we can find some more. We got some ABs, yellows in here. We got the greens in here. Okay, let's keep going. Sorry, this is just the best I can do for such a nice long drawing. To train, of course, with some dragons and books and moons and all kinds of nice stuff. Got some yellow ABs in here. Got some green ABs down in here. Oh, so pretty. This one, like I said, is long. So that's going to be fun trying to get this, to do this on a small desk, but we manage. Got some green ABs in here, the 1 ABs in here, yellows. So, such a pretty drawing, such a long drawing. Okay, so that is it. That's all I have for you today. I do have a couple more unboxings that I have to get to, and I also got a new desk coming, and I'm going to do a video of it because it's not a drafting table. So I want to show you what I got and see if it works. I kind of think it's going to work a little bit better than a drafting table, so we'll see what's going to happen on that. But thank you for watching. Please always like, subscribe, and comment anything you need, any ask questions, whatever. Tali and I are here to share our hobby with people and meet new friends along the way. Bye.